Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the second subdivision in question 8 in exercise 5.1. Use implicit differentiation to verify dy by dx into dx by dy is 1 when the function here is x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. So let's first write down what is given to us. We are going to find out for x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. Let's calculate first dy by dx. So I'm just marking it here as d by dx of this particular expression. So let's start here from the LHS. Differentiation of x cube is just 3x squared. For y cube, it is 3y squared dy by dx. For the right side, this is 3a is actually constant. So I'm taking 3a into, I'm differentiating this xy using UV method. So first I'm differentiating x, retaining the y. Differentiation of y is not done right now. So differentiation of x is 1. So this is 3ay. The next term I'm keeping the 3a again. This time I'm keeping the x and differentiating y. So this is x into dy by dx. Now let's rearrange all the expressions so that the dy by dx is on the left side. So this is going to be 3y squared dy by dx is equal to 3ay plus 3ax dy by dx minus 3x squared. Next term, I'm going to bring this the other side. So 3y squared dy by dx minus 3ax dy by dx is equal to 3ay minus 3x squared. Let's take the dy by dx outside. So this is going to be 3y squared minus 3ax is equal to 3ay minus 3x squared. So simply the value of dy by dx is going to be 3ay minus 3x squared, the whole thing divided by 3y squared minus 3ax. Now that we have taken care of this, let's compute d by dx of y. So that's the next step here. I'm not erasing this so that we will remember what is that value. So the next time it is d by dx. Instead of dx, we are going to do dy. So this is going to be 3x squared d by dx by dy plus, we are differentiating with respect to y. So this is 3y squared is equal to 3a is a constant. I'm taking it outside. Here with respect to y, I'm going to differentiate x because I'm going to use for this xy uv again. So xy, if I differentiate, first time I'm differentiating y, retaining the x. So this is x into d by dx of y is 1. So plus, next time it is 3ay into dx by dy. Now let's regroup all the dx by dy terms on the left side. So this is 3x squared dx by dy minus 3ay dx by dy is equal to 3ax minus 3y squared. Let's take out the dx by dy term outside. So dx by dy is going to be 3x squared minus 3ay is equal to 3ax minus 3y squared. So this means dx by dy is equal to 3ax minus 3y squared, the whole thing divided by 3x squared minus 3ay. Now we are supposed to prove that dx by dy into dy by dx is 1. So let's do that. So I have to write this as 3ay minus 3x squared, the whole thing divided by 3y squared minus 3ax into, I'm going to compute this. This is 3ax minus 3y squared, the whole thing divided by 3x squared minus 3ay. Now if you compare the term between this numerator and this denominator, only the sign changes. So I'm striking this out and saying this as minus 1 times. The same way between this denominator and this denominator, only the sign changes. So I'm striking it this out and saying minus 1 times. So minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1 and hence proved. If you feel this process is difficult, just take the minus sign outside and strike it out. You will still write the same answer. So that should not be a problem. In the next video, we will see how to solve the third subdivision in this particular exercise.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.